Hello friends, Ravneet Bala welcomes you back to her channel with the recipe of the season, Amla Chunda recipe with jaggery that stays good for over a year. This Amla chutney is healthy and yummy at the same time. I gifted this to my sister and she literally loved it. Packed with nutrients, vitamin C rich gooseberry chunda is easy to make too. Let's get started with the recipe to make healthy meaty amla chutney. To begin with, let's first dry roast methi dana, nigelle seeds or kalonji and somf or fennel. Remove from flame and do not roast a lot. Turn into coarse powder. Keep aside. Now we will make jaggery syrup with half cup of jaggery. Throw in 1/4 cup of curry leaves. That's optional but adds a high level of nutrient properties to this chutney. Add 2 tablespoons of water and stir until it reaches the right consistency. To check, put a drop of the syrup in cold water. Wait for a few seconds. Meanwhile, add 1/4 cup of raisins or kishmish to the jaggery syrup. If the drop forms a ball, the syrup is done. Now add half cup of grated amla. Remember, this chutney is not overly sweet. If you want it sweeter than tangier, you may add up to 1 cup of jaggery. Keep medium flame, add coarsely ground achar masala, black salt, ginger powder, black pepper, red chili powder, hing and mix. Add common salt and mix again. Do not cook too much. Stop. Remove in a glass container. Let's heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil or sesame oil or gingerly oil. Once it reaches smoking point, turn off the flame and let it cool. Meanwhile, add toasted pumpkin and melon seeds to the chutney. Once the mustard oil cools, stir it into the sweet amla chutney. Mix and enjoy. Keep in sunlight for 3 to 5 days if possible, else make sure to press the chutney down every day so that the oil floats on top. Enjoy khatti meethi healthy amla chutney with your meals. I hope you find this amla recipe with jaggery easy. Continue to motivate Ravneet Bhalla to come up with more healthy, innovative ideas. Take care until we meet next with yet another healthy recipe. Bye bye.